Hey there, fellow streamers. If you're excited to dive into the magical world of Disney Plus on your smart TV, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to get Disney Plus up and running, so you can binge watch your favorite Marvel movies, Star Wars epics, or classic Disney animations in no time. First things first, make sure your smart TV is compatible. Most modern TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, or Sony support Disney Plus, but it's always a good idea to check the Disney Plus website or your TV's settings for a full list. Got that sorted? Great. Now, grab your remote and head to your TV's App Store. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for icons like Apps or Store. Once you're in, use the search function to type in Disney Plus. It should pop up right away. Select the app and hit download or install. Depending on your TV model, this might take a minute or two, so grab a snack while you wait. After it's installed, open the app from your home screen. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Disney Plus account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it on the Disney Plus website first and have your login details handy. Enter your email and password, and boom, you're in. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see the Disney Plus library ready to explore. One quick tip. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for the best streaming quality. If you run into any hiccups, like the app not loading, try restarting your TV or checking for software updates in your settings menu. And that's it, you've just unlocked a world of entertainment. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.